Presenting a pre-owned 2018 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 LT. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.3-liter V8 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Chevrolet has less than 150,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, keyless entry, and OnStar. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.